In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep to set reminders for your specific notes. This is a great way to ensure you never miss an important task or idea again, and it only takes a few simple steps to do it all within Google Keep. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Keep. If you haven't used Google Keep before, it's a versatile and user-friendly note-taking app created by Google. You can access it by simply typing Google Keep into your search engine and clicking on the link, or you can directly go to keep.google.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the main interface, which showcases all your existing notes in a grid or list format. If you're new to Google Keep, you might not see anything here yet, but don't worry, it's easy to start adding new notes. Next, you'll want to select the specific note that you wish to set a reminder for. Just click on the note from the main menu. It could be a grocery list, an important work deadline, or perhaps a reminder for a personal project. The choice is yours. Once you've clicked on your note, you'll see it expand on your screen, showing you all the details you've already entered. Now, let's move on to setting up the reminder itself. Once you're in the note, look for the Remind Me icon. This is typically a little bell or similar icon located at the top of your notes interface, and it's super easy to spot. Clicking on the Remind Me icon will prompt a new menu to appear, giving you a range of options for your reminder. You can set it for a specific date and time, which is fantastic for deadlines or appointments, or you can set location-based reminders. For example, if you're doing errands around town, you can set a reminder to pop up when you are near a particular location. Google Keep will ensure you get that gentle nudge when you need it the most. Now, once you've selected your desired options, say a specific date and time, click Save to confirm your reminder setup. It's really as simple as that. Your note now has a reminder configured, ensuring you'll get notified at your chosen time or place. And finally, that's all there is to it. You're done. Look at how easy it was to add some organization to your daily routine. Setting reminders in Google Keep is an incredibly useful feature for maintaining your productivity and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you use Google Keep to its fullest potential. Don't forget to check back for more helpful tutorials, and happy organizing!